Hi guys, you are watching the second episode of our USA series where we will be taking you through NASA's Space Center in Houston in this video. From iconic spacecraft to immersive exhibits, we shall uncover the captivating history and groundbreaking innovations that define humanity's quest for the stars. Get ready to witness the awe inspiring artifacts, interactive displays, and behind the scenes insights that make this destination a must visit for space enthusiasts worldwide. So let's start right away and do watch till the end so you don't miss anything.
The Space Center in Houston is a science museum that serves as the official visitor center for NASA. नासा के ऐसे 15 स्पेस सेंटर्स हैं अमेरिका में, जिसमें से 10 ऑपरेशनल हैं. एंड द फास्टेस्ट वे टू गेट फ्रॉम ह्यूस्टन टू दिस स्पेस सेंटर इज टू टेक अ टैक्सी विच टेक्स अबाउट 28 मिनट्स एंड कॉस्ट्स अबाउट $60 to $80. To come here, you can book the tickets from their official website, जहाँ पे जनरल एडमिशन और अपोलो मिशन टूर का एक पैकेज है जो हमने बुक किया था. आप सिंपल जनरल एडमिशन का टिकट भी बुक कर सकते हैं जैसे आपको चाहिए. यू कैन देर आर डिफरेंट प्राइसेस फॉर एडल्ट, सीनियर्स, चाइल्ड. VIP टूर्स भी हैं एंड यू कैन इवन हैव ब्रेकफास्ट विद एन एस्ट्रोनॉट इफ यू विश टू. Check the description to get the link for the official website to book your tickets.
नासा के 10 स्पेस सेंटर्स है. उनमें से कुछ पॉपुलर स्पेस सेंटर्स है. कैनेडी स्पेस सेंटर, ह्यूस्टन स्पेस सेंटर, गोडर्ड स्पेस सेंटर. अब गोडर्ड स्पेस सेंटर का एक मेमोरेबल इंसिडेंट इज दैट वहाँ पे शाहरुख खान ने स्वदेश मूवी का शूटिंग किया था. वहाँ पे यू कैन सी द पिक्चर्स एंड वो जो वाटर प्रेसिपिटेशन experiment that they were carrying out. They do only research work there, more understanding on the earth. There is no space launch that happens there. Most of the space launches are usually carried out in Kennedy Space Centers. Houston में भी बहुत कम हो गए हैं. And California में they have one space center as well. And apart from that, the main headquarter of NASA is in Washington DC.
जो एस्ट्रोनॉट्स अलग अलग स्पेस मिशंस पे गए थे इन द पास्ट, उनके स्पेस सूट्स आर ऑन डिस्प्ले हियर फॉर द विजिटर्स टू एडमायर.
यहाँ पे the atmosphere is वातावरण is mostly about spacecrafts, satellites, international space stations, and planets. For me, it's like a child having a dream to come to NASA. I always wanted to see how these satellites, rockets, spacecraft function, and what are the missions that we should learn from. One day, maybe space tourism will be a reality, and we might be like, and it will be an affordable reality where we can also travel to space and see stars, planets, and whatnot. So, फिलहाल के लिए, this is one step to the space, exploration, which they are offering through tourism. And you would see a lot of these things. Like here, you have this International Space Center. इसका एक मॉडल बना है. And then you have this huge cell about NASA का. NASA के बारे में बताया जा रहा है. Then you have a large moon which is placed here. It's saying we are going to the moon. It's like a huge moon that you can see.
यहाँ पे they have put up an installation explaining about the Artemis mission. Now this mission is a moon exploration program led by the US NASA and is intended to re-establish human presence on the moon on a permanent basis so that they can facilitate human missions to Mars. ये सब देख के काफ़ी अनबिलीवेबल सा फील हुआ, बट एट द सेम टाइम इतने सारे डेवलपमेंट्स को इतने क्लोजली देख के बहुत ही ओवरवेलमिंग सा लग रहा था.
Here you can see the different missions that happened over the years. Apollo 17, 11, 16, Apollo 12, Apollo 14, 15, and they are saying mark the spot and where to land. Everything is South Pole 2025 and beyond. Like how the moonwalk happens, उसके बारे में है. ये अंदर में प्रोजेक्ट टीम कैसे काम करता है, how the team works, how the engineers, nutritionists and trainers, psychologists, scientists.
यहाँ they have shown a small sample of how they plan to grow crops in the space using very unique techniques, which is absolutely going to blow your minds. This is a small sample sleep station जिसमें एस्ट्रोनॉट स्पेस में सोते कैसे हैं वो दिखाया गया है. And this is a sample space toilet. जब कोई स्पेस में रॉकेट लैंड करता है विद ह्यूमन एस्ट्रोनॉट्स इनसाइड, दिस इज हाउ द पोजीशंस आर. ये एक सैंपल मॉकअप है जस्ट टू शो कि स्पेस में कैसे दीज एस्ट्रोनॉट्स मैनेज देमसेल्व्स अगेंस्ट ग्रेविटी.
Places like they are showing up कि कैसे planets में vegetation grow कर सकते हैं. Then space station में कैसे पानी को अच्छे से यूज कर सकते हैं, रिसाइकल कर सकते हैं. Astronauts stay in the spaceships or crafts there in the space. वो सब भी उसमें दिखाया गया है. So overall, it's a very good interactive place to be. Must say that they have curated everything possible with so much detail, and अभी I have to go for the tram tour as well. So वहाँ पे like I can see the Apollo mission. I booked the Apollo mission ticket. I will put the details of how much the ticket cost would be.
Like we told you in the beginning, we had booked the Apollo mission tour along with the general admission, which cost us around $44.
During this tram tour, we were shown around the massive campus, which was absolutely stunning.
On the way, we were shown the Saturn V, which is a retired American super heavy lift launch vehicle developed by NASA under the Apollo program. The Saturn V is famous as it holds a record for the highest payload capacity of 1,41,136 kgs. इसका मतलब है Saturn V के अंदर सबसे ज्यादा वेट स्पेस पे ले जाने की कैपेसिटी थी.
हम अभी है एक मिशन कंट्रोल के ऑफिस में, मिशन कंट्रोल सेंटर, जहाँ पे नासा के सारे बड़े एक्सप्लोरेशन यहीं से मैनेज किए हुए थे. प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट यहीं पे हुआ था और ये सुंदर सा बिल्डिंग यहाँ पे है. So we can just go and see what's there inside.
When you enter, आपको explain किया जाएगा to be careful, not to rush, not to push each other, and to take care of your belongings.
This is a model of the Apollo 11 mission spacecraft with the associated companies who invested in the different components of the spacecraft.
This was the control room of the Apollo space mission from where the technicians were controlling the mission. This was the successful return of the astronauts from the moon back to the Earth. This was the Hall of Fame where all the portraits of the successful astronauts were put together for visitors to see. Now, after an absolutely awe-striking visit at the Space Center in NASA, you can take home memories as souvenirs from this shop where you can take hoodies, t-shirts, key rings, mugs, pens, and a lot of other things. If you enjoyed this NASA tour with us, then please give this video a like, share it with your friends and family. You can share your own NASA experience with us in the comment section below, and do subscribe to our channel for more.